Right, I'm back. Here's the results of my almost keto croissants now that I've decided what I was going to call the videos. They have gone a little bit splatty and a little bit of butter does come out of them. But I think that's pretty much a win. And then over here I've got my ones where I've put the chocolate in. And then these are just the offcuts with chocolate spread put on them and rolled up. So, need a bit of a taste test. Here is my beautiful chocolate croissant. And that's really nice. Very, very buttery. Don't need much, so what I'm going to do is freeze most of these so that next time my husband decides to eat a whole packet of croissants, I can just dive to the freezer and defrost one of my almost keto croissants. And I don't have to feel like I'm missing out, because I'm not, because this is delicious. This is Alison signing off. Do have a look in the Keto Fitness Club at the free recipe library so that you can get the recipe for the chocolate and hazelnut spread and for the croissants as well. And I will see you on my journey again soon. Bye.